What is up, you guys? How you guys doing? I'm back. It's been a long time I haven't recorded, guys. I know it hasn't been because I've been in Ohio and it's been a long time. And I know, guys, I'm with my boy Jaden. He can't talk because he doesn't have his tablet. Yeah, there he is. He's typing in Discord chat. So, anyways, guys, what we all do, we always play Roblox, right? Well, guess what? We're gonna play Roblox today. So, might as well. Here we are on Roblox. So, none of you commanded me to play something. So, if you guys want, comment down below what I should play. I'll play anything you want. So, let's go to the friends activities, see what they play. So, they play a lot of stuff. So, we're going to play 2 games today. And maybe an hour from now, I'll play another thing. So, guys, obviously, I like boxing. So, why not we go in the boxing simulator? Let's do this, guys. Yeah, Jada said he misses me. So I miss him too. I miss you guys too. I miss everyone who supports this channel. And I will always miss you guys no matter what. So let's do this, guys. Let's box. Alright. I know I played this game before, so I know you play like a dumbbell at this game. Oh my god! I look like a freaking dragon! Jesus! What has happened to me? My bird is bigger than my head. You can't even see my head, and you know what's smaller than everything is that my shark hat is even smaller than my head. Oh my god. Anyway, bro, new events out. Oh, there's new events? I didn't know. Guys, I'm this big, giant, little dude. Not little, big dude. Oh, I thought that guy wanted to. Oh, how? Oh, maybe he restarted his like size, so maybe. So anyway, guys, feels like a like 5 pounds, and I'm this big. Why does this game need to give us this small? Give us big. I was playing Fortnite and I got 2 victory royals. Wow, good for you, bro. Guys, don't worry. I'm gonna play Fortnite soon. It's just like something's wrong with the download. But if you guys are enjoying me playing Roblox, then yeah, why not? So I'll do anything that you guys want me to do. It doesn't matter. I still play Roblox, but Fortnite can download on your phone. But like, yeah, I know. I know I can download on my phone. Yeah, why not? But then I can't show the phone in my screen. Or maybe I could just download the Screen-O-Matic and wow, I died already. Maybe I'll just use Screen-O-Matic in my phone. Yeah, that's what I mean. On App Store. Yeah. They also have that. All right. Wow. Why don't you guys give me this dumbbell? Screen-O-Matic can't go on phone. Oh, that's sad. I mean, computer's good, right? Only PC. Oh, okay. So you just download screen. Duh. Yeah, duh. Wow, look at these tiny little midgets. Oh, looks like they're gonna be dead. Wow, a right punch right into the stomach. Easy. Oh, this guy wants to go. This guy wants to go. You want to go? Oh, okay. Oh, I don't like it how they're so little. You know what? Why not Oh, they rebirth. Okay, fine. Yeah, become smaller. You need at least 10,000 strength? Bruh, 4,000. That's not even close. How long are we into this video? 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, this guy thinks he's the Hulk, so I'm just gonna build up already. I'm not gonna waste some time. Unless if oh, okay. I thought he wanted to go, son. When I get my tablet back, he'll make videos. Guys, make sure you go to Jaden's channel, which is this channel, and subscribe to him and me, because 2 people record at once, guys. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? No one can do that. I mean, if they can, if they know how to, but like, yeah. Oh, yeah, he has 200. Oh, let's do a celebration for Jaden hitting 210 subs. Congratulations, Jaden. You worked hard for your supporting. Yeah, he's smiling. See, he's smiling. Yeah, we all have to smile. If you stay smiling, if you keep on smiling, then you will get far in life, guys. Trust me. Alright. Yeah, he's right. Yeah, they're fighting. Tiny midget versus bigger midget. Let's see who will win. Oh yeah, they're going against each other. Your dream can come true. Yeah, guys. He says it right there. Your dreams can come true. Oh, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Alright, he's got. Alright. Now, it's just all of us doing this dumbbells workout. Wow. They're still fighting. Why don't they just fight already? Don't be scared, little midget. Don't be scared, little midgets. Don't be scared. Come on, you. Oh, you wanna go, son? I thought he was gonna like give me a left or right punch. Wait, he says, can we team up? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. We can team up. Anything for subs. I'm just kidding. We'll team up for free. Anything. Because I just want to have some friends and I'm very nice. And I want to help the community, you know? Like, yeah, we just want to be innocent, you know? So, oh, okay, come on, pick me. Pick me, come on, pick me. Come on. What would this thing pick me already? Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, that guy fell over. He's right there, falling over. Okay, midget versus big midget. Big midget won. Obviously, he's bigger, but doesn't matter. All right. Will he? Naldino has been chosen. Will you be the strongest? Maybe not, cause look where I am at the leaderboard. I'm right here. Look at all these people who have like 100,000 strength. That's incredible. Wow. All right. Come on, midget. Wait, were you 9 minutes when the last? Wait. Right now I'm in 8 minutes. That's weird. All right. There's no one else other than me. Come on. All right. Am I gonna go in? Yes. Oh no. Is that the guy? Who? Oh, wait. Oh my god. He's first place. He's first place. 1 hit. No, guys. No, guys. Subscribe. No. No, guys. Oh, my friend's here. Jaden's here. Let's say hi to him. Hi, Golden. Hi, Golden Pro. Hi, Golden Pro. Yep. His username is Golden Pro, guys. Make sure you go give him some support and friend him if you want to. This is his name. You can look on the right here. Right there. You can just go copy it and yeah. So, he's saying so I'm at the lobby right now. Just chilling. Oh, okay. Well, guys. Alright, guys. Let's play one more game. I'm sorry if Jaden was here. I know I had to leave. Alright. 9 minutes into the video. Not long at all. I mean, Screenomatic has a limit of 15, I guess. So, yeah. Alright. Let's see. Role play of Baldi Basics. You know what I'm gonna do, guys? I'm gonna click it. We're gonna do some Baldi Basics, guys. For the first time ever, we're gonna do some Baldi Basics Roblox gameplay. Let's do this, guys. I'm hyped. Alright. We're gonna play some Baldi. We're gonna play some Baldi Basics 3D Morph RP. Let's do this. Alright. Looks like the regular Baldi, I guess. I assume. Oh, Jaden is in the chat right now. Alright. Jaden, now I'm playing Baldi Basics in 3D in Roblox. Oh my god, there's a sock in there, guys. What do you mean? I was like, wait, what do you mean? Yeah, I know. Oh my god, obviously we need the mighty ruler. Yeah, Baldi's Basics. If you guys can't hear Jaden, we're just talking, but if you guys can't hear him, maybe the Screenomatic can't like make you hear other people. I'm sorry, but like at least I'm talking to you and him at the same time. So I mean, at least that's good. So this isn't really like Baldi because I'll play as Baldi, and like I'm not even doing my regular stuff. I'm supposed to like learn like equations, and all I do is just walk around and play as Baldi and slapping that ruler in my hand. Can't I just do something else? Wow, Baldi. There's a reason why you're called Baldi. Look at that makeup lips. Look at that white eyes like Momo. Look at that only one piece of tiny little hair you got there. You look sick, bro. You look sick. Alright, let's keep playing. Alright. School faculty only. Alright. Okay. 4 plus 6. Obviously, we know what it is. Wait, what? That's 10. Wait, how do we... Wait. Oh, do I have to sit down? Oh, it's just down. I'm at like the school faculty. For the school faculty only. I don't need this. I'm a teacher myself. Alright. What are these? Maybe I'm not supposed to be Baldi. Maybe I'm supposed to be a regular me. Oh, Kyle. Kyle. What's up, Kyle? Camp outfit. Oh, natural. Baldi. Let's see what it says. Oh, hi. Scorehouse. Math equation. Instruction. Favorite subject. And you might get something special. Who knows? Problem 1. Sit down. Sit down. Problem 2. Great job. I can't believe it. How are you in the Incredible Smarts? Huh. Wow. Baldi, you are sick today. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video right there. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys. I'll see you later. Next video guys. Peace.